But allow me to just refocus on other business stories where sugar prices in Kenya are expected to remain stable despite a drop in cane production as several millers prepare to resume operations after months of closure. Kenya Sugar Board Chief Executive Officer Jude Chesire says the current sugar shortage was anticipated amid industry reforms, including handover and renovation of state-owned mills and a temporary ban on harvesting immature cane.
The Kenya National Bureau of Statistics recently flagged a potential increase in the price of sugar due to reduced production, sparking concerns over affordability of the sweetener. However, the Kenya Sugar Board Chief Executive Officer Jude Chesire has assured consumers that prices will remain stable as cane production is set to recover this year. Chesire said the current shortage was anticipated with the industry undergoing major reforms. 4 state-owned factories were handed over and underwent 9 months of renovations, while 7 factories in Western Kenya and Kwale were closed to allow cane to reach optimal maturity. The Kenya Sugar Board says several sugar factories are set to resume operations soon, with millions of tons of sugar ready for milling. Full-scale harvesting and milling is projected from October to November 2026, marking the start of a sustained rebound in domestic sugar output. He says market stabilization measures will ensure steady supply, predictable prices, and protection against artificial shortages and speculation. Farmers and millers have been urged to respect cane maturity timelines to guarantee quality sugar production and support recovery efforts. The Kenya Sugar Board says these plans balances short-term supply constraints with long-term industry stability. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.